6 times. I already took the box out. That was 60. Box 65. Maybe I didn't. Box 65, right? I thought I took it out. Oh, I copy and pasted it from a different area. That's why. Okay. All right, 6 times, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and final time. Good luck. Here we go. Box 186. Get your kicks on Route 186. 6 times. All right, Nico. Tonio. Send this to myself now. Updated jersey list. Last boxes 65 and 186. All right, email to myself. There we go. Let's get 186. Good luck, guys. All right, here we go. Starting out with the Oilers, Taylor Hall. Taylor Hall Fanatics for the Oil. Nice. We got a Blake Wheeler for the Jets. Authentic Pro Blake Wheeler for the Jets. It's a nice jersey. Cale Makar Authentic. Sick. All right, let's see who owns these bad boys. It's just base. It's just base. It's just base. Seriously, it's just base. Calm down. It's base. Bro, it's base. All right, Makar. Driving in my car. Let's see who owns it. $54. 54 is Andy. Tonio, did you have it at 53? I think Tonio bailed probably because he saw this come out. He was probably like, yeah, dude, I'm out of here. I understand. That'd be frustrating. I think he did. I think he had him in 53, it looked like, anyway. Blake Wheeler in 54 is JJ. Nice hit for JJ. JJ DiCaprio. With the Wheeler. I think he's... No, he's been trying for a Wheeler, he said. Taylor Hall. Oil. Taylor Hall oil is Charabomb. Charabomb, Bo Barabomb. Sorry those that did not get a jersey, guys.